Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores to show you how to change the seal in a Kohler flush valve. How do we know for sure that the flush valve or the canister, same thing, is bad? We know it's bad when we hear the toilet running and the water level is not coming up to the top edge of the flush valve. When it comes to the top of this flush valve or canister and the water's going inside, it's the ball cock or fill valve that's not shutting off. Those gaskets have gone bad and they're putting too much water in the tank. But when the water level is below the top edge of the canister and the toilet's running, it's because the gasket has gone bad and the water is leaking out a little bit at a time, and every 20 minutes your toilet makes that mystery flush. Inside of all of our toilets at home is some sort of a flush valve, a way that when you flush the toilet it lets the water out of the tank. Kohler came up with this invention where they have a canister in the toilet. Same thing, the chain hooks to the handle. You flush the toilet, it lets the water out, it fouls water, closes and seals. This seal is good for 3 to 10 years. The problem is when you're looking down in the toilet, you don't quite know that there's this red gasket down at the bottom here. And how do I get to it? How do I stretch it off? So how do I get to the seal of this canister? You're looking down on the top of it. What happens is the top twist locks off. Counterclockwise, the normal way, you push down slightly, you turn it 1/4 of a turn, and it comes off. Now it actually dissects in 2 places. Got a little keyway that keys into the bottom and just twist locks 1/4 of a turn. That holds the floating mechanism to the seat. And, not that I want to, but it could come apart at the very top. The top piece comes off. The little foam cushion is what keeps the banging noise down, and this whole flush valve comes off. So when you go to disassemble this, it could come apart at 2 different places. Once it's apart, the rubber gasket pulls off. You get the new rubber gasket. Now these come in a pair. They give you the American Standard and the Kohler. They both work so much alike, and I guess they're so commonly confused, Corky decided to put both gaskets in one package. So that's kind of odd to me, but that doesn't matter. That's how you get it. They tell you the one with the little tab on it is the Kohler. The other one, the round one with no tab, is the American Standard. So anyhow, pretty easy. You get the new gasket. You make sure you stretch it on. Back in a little groovis. Just like that. You could reassemble the base of the tower first. Done. Snap this on. This is to keep it from making a clacking sound. When you flush it, the canister comes up kind of hard. The foam gasket is just a sound deadener. So when it comes up, it's quieter as it hits. Customers that come in my store that break the retaining post that holds the flush valve tower assembly to the center post. So you can buy separately just the center post because it's just a little fragile. The little dogs in the bottom, someone turns it the wrong way and breaks them. Don't throw out the toilet. Don't take it apart to change the flush valve. You can buy a new center post for these Kohler toilets. That's it. Your toilet is running. The water is not coming over the top of this. The water is staying low, which means that this gasket is letting water out of the tank. That's how you repair Kohler toilet, quick and easy from MrHardware.com.